A publisher's rant: why I hate the body of your article. I'm a publisher for numerous sites. I hate many of your articles. Here's why I hate the body of your article and what you can do about it. You're giving me a headache. Let's cut to the chase on this issue. I really don't care what you write about. As long as it isn't an overt sales pitch, knock yourself out. I am more interested in the format of the article, not your view or take on the subject matter. The readers on my sites may not like what you write, but that is your problem. I do care about the flow and format of the body of your article. I strongly encourage you to have a point and stick to it. If another idea comes to mind halfway through writing an article, turn it into a separate article. Don't try to cram it all into one article. One-sentence paragraphs. Don't. For the love of God, just don't write these. The only time you should write a one-sentence paragraph is if it is a narrative. Occasionally, you can write one for dramatic impact, but try to stay away from these long sentences. Even in our capitalist society, punctuation is free. This dot is a period. The period is your friend. For some of you, it is a long-lost friend. Sentences should be relatively short. If you write articles through the stream of consciousness method, good for you. When the masterpiece is done, read it out loud to yourself. How does it sound? Perhaps you should do something with the 10-line sentence? Linking in the body. Why do you do this? I absolutely refuse to publish any article with links in the body. In truth, I don't have anything against such links. My bitch is that you're making me take extra steps to hyperlink the damn things when I publish them on sites. If you think I am going to spend extra time on your article, you're wrong. Chant with me, I will put all links in the byline. Spelling. Contrary to popular opinion, I don't care if you misspell words. I can't spell worth a damn and assume you can't either. I will run your article through spell check programs. In fact, I'll run them through 2 spell check programs. Spelling is not a big issue with me. Body headlines. Using headlines in the body of your article is a very good idea. I love them and will view you in a more favorable light. The only thing I ask is that you capitalize the first letter of each word. Remember, I am lazy. The last paragraph. The last paragraph should summarize the point you made in the article. The last paragraph is not a place to put links, hints about your site or your biography. I will not publish your article if you do such things. You can cover all of these items in your byline. When it comes to the body of your article, knock yourself out. Just keep in mind these pet peeves.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.